we got invited on this boat, so we're gonna go and check it out.
Yeah, it's a lovely houseboat.
Yeah.
Coming down here to London.
It's in Little Venice. It's on the outskirts of Little Venice, where you come into, you would sail into London this way.
Yeah.
So in there is central London.
And these guys live like 50 miles north from London and come down here for the holiday.
Yeah.
So I'll start by showing you the outside of the boat.
How long did you say? 35?
Mind the step.
Yeah. And you are
mind
staying
your
here
head.
with your brother.
Yeah.
2 people. Cozy. Is it your boat? It is
Yes.
You,
Oh yeah.
you
yeah.
own it. You
It's
own
mine.
it.
Yes. Yeah. So we have the bathroom.
It has everything. This is
Oh yes,
perfect.
we've got a cooker
Yeah,
and a
but-
fridge. We
Yeah,
are
very-
civilized.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Denmark.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So we got cooker.
You
we
have
got
everything you need
a
here.
couple of steaks warming up for tea tonight, and that's the forward saloon.
This is the saloon.
The living area.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
This is fun. This is IKEA, the best, right?
Oh,
This is
yes.
IKEA.
And best of all, oh please,
I'll
best of all,
test it.
yeah, it's cheap. It's like you buy boat furniture
Yeah.
from a boat manufacturer.
Yeah.
For a chair like that, you pay £300. IKEA, £55.
And then it's not cheap for us though, is it, compared to the States?
Not compared to America.
it's,
No,
The
they're
States, everything is cheap over there.
Yeah, yeah,
They have
yeah.
it. They have it
Yeah.
good. Everything is expensive
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Denmark.
yeah.
London and Denmark in
Yeah.
general is about
Yeah.
the same.
Mm.
Because it's
Yeah.
crazy.
You look like you need a glass of wine.
Ah, maybe.
A boat like this now,
Yeah,
not when I built it,
yeah.
would be about £100,000.
Wow. Okay, so that is significant.
Yeah.
It is quite an investment.
But because I bought it, I bought it as a shell. I commissioned when I retired in 2000,
Ah, okay. And then you.
and I commissioned the shell, had the shell built,
Ah, okay.
had an engine put in it, and then I fitted it all out. So all
okay.
of this woodwork that you see is mine.
Yeah. Okay.
But to get somebody to do that for you is
Yeah.
very expensive.
Yeah. So if you can do the work inside yourself, then it's okay.
Yeah.
I like all the panels. They're
Yeah,
still
it's
very
beautiful.
light. It's not too dark, even though
That-
it's wood.
That's the idea.
That was the
Yeah.
idea. I chose the wood. It's
What
this,
kind is
this
it?
is American white ash,
Ah, okay.
so it's
Yeah,
all the way
ash
from
is,
America.
yeah.
The window frames are American red cherry, so
Okay.
it just gives a bit of a contrast.
Just a little bit, yeah.
And yeah, it was took me about 10 years to do it.
Ah, to build the
Wow.
whole thing.
Part
Wow.
time, of course.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
work of love.
Bit of a
Labor.
labour of love, as we say.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I can get you back.
You have a cook ready
Oh,
to
yeah.
catch thieves and everything. Well, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. It's been lovely.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too.